Good morning, everybody. Myself, Assistant Professor Bharti Dikit. So here I am going to present just a basic knowledge about my paper, that is the fundamental of C under the guidance of Dr. S.B. Kishore sir. So first we will see what are the contents of this paper. First off, it contains the syllabus, outline of the paper, objective of the paper, and then application of the paper. First we will go through first point, that is the what is the syllabus. This paper content of fourth unit. First unit, it will having the basic knowledge of paper, that is called the history and the application of C. Then it will also use to explain what are the C language, what are the tokens, character sets and keywords which have involved in this programming language, data type, identifier, types of constants, variable, typecasting, and operator and expression. These are the basic things which are used in each and every programming language. And afterward, we will see what is the basic structure of programming, C programming, single program, how we will run that program, and mathematical function which are used in the C. Unit 2 will contain all the input-output statement, conditional statement, and input-output unformatted and formatted statements, functions, for example, scanf, printf, backslash characters. What are the role of scanf and printf? It is a very important function in the C programming language for taking the input from the keyboard and printing the data. Next is the conditional statement, if else, nested if. Okay, and then third unit, it will consist of looping statement, jumping construct, need of looping statement, for example, comma and etc. While statement, do while statement, nested loop. Again, some jumping constructs are break, continue, go to, exit. We can use these types of jumping construct in programming. We can continue or break the program in the middle of the execution also. Then fourth unit, it will contain that basic needs of array. What is the array? What are the definition? How we can declare and initialize the value of array? Then sorting, searching, etc. And some mathematical things. Okay. Next part is outline of the paper. What is the outline? Why we use this programming language? It will explain the importance of such programming languages, all the basic structure of programming languages, help the structure of C program, and against the we can use some practice in writing a program, understand the concept of compilation, linking, loading a C program, and all characteristics of good programming languages also, and also give the solution to form the looping construct. Okay, it can handle the large volume of data. Now, what is the importance and objective? The basic purpose of this paper is to build the concept of programming language. Then after learning this paper, we can learn many lots of paper programming language like C++, Java and etc. It will enhance the overall logical and practical skill of student. Student will learn the concept of looping construct, array, sorting, searching. C language generally used to design the programming language for operator system and editor, and moreover now it is used for also Java, JavaScripting. C is a general programming language. After this we can use in the various sector like application, games, graphic, etc. Okay, and these are the various we can say applications for designing the libraries, system programming language, operator system, basic another internet languages. Okay, so these are the here applications are available like mobile, web applications, enterprises applications. Okay, these are the basic things we can use. These are the references books which you can use for some C language. First of all, E. Balguru Swami, then Dr. S.B. Kishore sir, programming in C, and lots of books are there for references. Thank you very much.